talk about sitting today because we're stuck sitting and we're not in our office chairs that are helpful. So we're sitting on couches, kitchen chairs, whatever. And your back can be hurting, your neck can be hurting, your shoulders, you're kind of just like everything feels lumpy and ugh. So I want to talk, a lot of people use those lumbar rolls, so what, like as to fill in a gap. So you put the pillow here and that's great, but I want to show you one more thing. Our pelvis is like a ball. So when I go ahead and I sit down, my pelvis rolls back. And what that happens is that essentially you're like sitting like this all day. So I want to show you a way to prevent this happening and to keep you more upright. So our pelvis being like a ball, what we want to do is use a wedge in order to go ahead and stop that from rolling. Simple towel roll. So this is just a couple of hand towels rolled together. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this right underneath my bottom bones. And now all of a sudden I'm sitting up straight. So you can see if I take this away, my pelvis rolls back and I'm slouching. If I put this here, I'm upright. Now you take your lumbar roll, fill in the gap, take a book or whatever you have, put it here. Your knees are at your hip level or slightly above, and you're sitting up straight. You're going to be in so much less pain. You're going to be able to sit through those Zoom conferences more. You're going to be happier, and your back and neck are going to thank you immensely.